my dear children, welcome back to English class. I am Sabita Joseph, your English teacher. Children, I hope you all are good. Have you read the lesson AMMU'S Kitten? Very good, children. Today let us discuss a small activity from page number 69, and we'll also discuss the speaking and writing session from your textbook page number 72. So first let us discuss the activity. Page number 69. Let us understand. Complete the sentences in these boxes. Children, you have read the lesson, the story AMMU'S Kitten. So you can fill these blanks. Okay, let's start. Ammu wants a dash, but she does not have one. What is the missing letters here? Ammu wants a pet kitten. Very good. Ammu wants a pet kitten, but she does not have one. Next, at school, she tells her dash that she has one. His name is Shankar. What is the missing word here? Yes, at school, she tells her. To whom she told about Shankar? Yes, she tells her friends that she has one. His name is Shankar. Next one. They want to come to Ammu's dash to see Shankar. Now, Ammu is worried and sad. So they means Ammu's friends. So Ammu's friends want to come to Ammu's house to see Shankar. Now Ammu is worried and sad. Next one. Ammu asks Dash to buy her a pet kitten, but he laughs. So to whom Ammu asks to buy the pet kitten? Yes, to Ammu's Achan. Ammu asks Achan to buy her a pet kitten, but he laughs. Next one. Ammu feels bad that she told her friends a dash. She becomes ill and stays at home. So why did Ammu feel sad? Yes, because she lied to her friends. So what is the missing word here? Lie. Ammu feels bad that she told her friends a lie. She becomes ill and stays at home. Next one. That evening, when her friends come home, there is a kitten in the dash, Shankar. So that evening, Ammu's friends came to Ammu's house to see her. There they saw Shankar. So where did they see Shankar? In the garden. That evening, when her friends come home, there is a kitten in the garden. That is Shankar. Let's do the next activity, that is speaking. Achan, please could you buy a kitten for me? We use please, could you to politely ask people to do or not to do something. So we use the words please and could you to politely ask people to do or not to do something. For example, could you please open the door? So here we politely asking someone to open the door. Please don't make any noise. So here we use the word please also to ask people to not to do something. So work in pairs, make polite requests to your friend using please. The first situation is your friend has a new toy, you want to play with it. So how can you ask to your friend using these words please and could you? For example, could you please give me a toy to play? Another one, your cousin knows how to make paper boats. You want to learn from him. How can you ask that? Could you please teach me how to make paper boats? Children, I hope you all understood how to use these words please and could you. We use please and could you to politely ask people to do or not to do something. Next activity, writing. Write 5 sentences about this picture with the given words. Here you can see a picture and right side you can see a box with different words. You have to make 5 sentences about this picture. The words are family, camping, table, drinking juice, tent, playing cricket, flying kite, jumping. So children, how we can write all these things in sentences? Yes, let's give names to all these people. Rohit and his family are camping in a field. Rohit is playing cricket with his father. Seema is flying a kite near the tent. Pooja is jumping on the trampoline, or she is playing there. Mother is sitting at the table and drinking juice. So children, you can write in your own words. Use simple words in sentences. Okay. Children, I hope you all understood today's class. I hope you all are studying the word meanings and question answers also, and read the textbook daily. What is the message of this lesson? AMMU'S kitten. Yes, we must be truthful towards everyone, towards your parents, towards your friends, teachers and everyone. Because truth always wins. We should never lie towards everyone. Okay, so you must be truthful and honest. We'll meet some other day. Until then, take care and bye.